We are continuously finding different ways and means by which we can help the doctors in various clinical approaches. In most of the cases, we take assistance from the living organism found around us. Well, stay tuned to Gateway to Knowledge to know how scientists have devised different biosensors by taking inspiration from the octopus suckers. For the last few decades, cell or tissue sheets have been increasingly used to treat injured or diseased tissues. A crucial aspect of tissue transplantation surgery, such as the corneal tissue transplantation, is the surgical gripping and safe transplantation of the soft tissue. However, handling these living substances remains a grand challenge because they are fragile and easily crumple when picking them up from the culture media. And the current methods of transferring the sheets involve growing them on a temperature sensitive soft polymer that, once transferred, shrinks and releases the thin film. However, this process takes 30 to 60 minutes to transfer a single sheet, and it requires skilled technicians and runs the risk of tearing and wrinkling. During the surgery, surgeon must minimize the risk of soft damage to soft tissues and transplant quickly without any contamination. Also, transfer of ultra thin materials without wrinkle or damage is another crucial aspect. Seeking a way to quickly pick up and release the thin, delicate sheets of cell or electronics without damaging them, the researchers turned to Animal Kingdom for inspiration. Seeing the way an octopus or squid can pick up both wet and dry objects of all the shapes with small pressure changes in their muscle-powered suction cups rather than a sticky chemical adhesive gave the researchers a great idea. They devised a manipulator that is made up of temperature-responsive layer of soft hydrogel that is attached to an electric heater. To pick up a thin sheet, the researchers gently heat the hydrogel to shrink it. Then they press it to the sheet and turn off the heat. The hydrogel expands slightly, creating suction with the soft tissue or flexible electronic film so that it can be lifted and transferred. Then they gently place the thin film on the target and turn the heater back on, shrinking the hydrogel and releasing the sheet. This entire process only takes about 10 seconds. So next, the researchers hope to integrate sensors into the manipulator to further take advantage of their soft bio-inspired design. For example, by integrating pressure sensors with the manipulator, it would be possible to monitor the deformation of the target objects during contact and in turn adjust the suction force to a level at which materials retain their structural integrity and functionality. By doing so, we can improve the safety and accuracy of handling these materials. In addition, we aim to examine the therapeutic efficacy of the cells and tissues transferred by the soft manipulator. So this thin tissue graft and flexible electronics have a host of applications for wound healing, regenerative medicines, and biosensing. And to know more about such interesting and amazing facts and information, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified about my latest videos.